Hello everyone, today I will use a bucket of mop water to grow clean cucumbers at home. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. First, I will use a hole punch to drain the water so the plant does not get waterlogged. I get a 1.5 liter bottle to put kitchen waste in the compost bin. I attach the bottle in the middle so the fertilizer is evenly distributed to both sides of the plant. I want the plants to grow well. I mix rice husks with the soil to make the soil loose. Before pouring soil, I will spread some rice husks first to prevent waterlogging better. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. After planting the tree, I will water it with clean water to keep it moist. I will add a little coke to help the trash decompose faster. Once the plant has roots, I add eggs to the roots. The eggs help the plant develop strong roots, increase nutrient absorption, and make the plant stronger. To keep the plant healthy and the soil moist, I add soil. Green manure provides nutrients for crops. It can provide organic nutrients and beneficial microorganisms for crops. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. When the tree has grown, I use young bamboo to make a trellis for the tree to climb higher so that it can produce better fruit. To prevent plants from being attacked by insects and fungi, I mix ginger with water and spray it on the plants. Ginger is considered a popular formula to prevent pests from entering. It can replace pesticides. Oh, after 60 days of planting, will I have a lot of cucumbers? Now I can pick it for my family to enjoy. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.